Hi, I am Preeti. Today I am going to explain another theorem, which is theorem 6.4. In this theorem we will explain if in two triangles, like if we have two triangles, let's say DEF, and another triangle is ABC. So if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportion to or in the same ratio of sides of other triangle, means it's given that AB by DE equals to AC by DF equals to BC by EF. This is given. So what we have to prove? Their corresponding angles are equals, and hence the two triangles are similar. So we have to prove that corresponding angles are equals, means angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F. Or we can also say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, so for this we will construct one thing. We will put P on line DE as AB equals to DP and Q on line DF as AC equals to DQ, and we will join PQ. So what do we construct? AB equals to DP and AC equals to DQ. Fine. So as per our given, AB by DE equals to, only we will take this two, AC by DF. Okay. So what is AB? AB is DP. So we can also write as DP by DE, means in place of AB we just write DP. So DP by DE equals to, what is AC? AC is DQ by DF. So we are just changing the position, like DE, then DP, means numerator to denominator and denominator to nominator. So DE by DP equals to DF by DQ. Fine. So DE by DP equals to DF by DQ. But what we have to do? We have to make a proportion in DP by PE equals to DQ by QF. So what we have to do? We will just do -1 in both the sides, means DE by DP -1 equals to DF by DQ -1. Fine. Now DE minus DP by DP equals to DF minus DQ by DQ. Fine. So what is DE minus DP? DE minus DP is PE by DP equals to, what is DF minus DQ? DF minus DQ is QF. QF by DQ. Or we can also write as first DP and then DPE equals to DQ by QF. So see, DP by PE, PE equals to DQ by QF. So if we will see in this triangle, according to theorem 6.1, this PQ is parallel to EF. Fine. If you don't know about theorem 6.1, you can see my previous video. Okay. So now this is parallel to this. Now we will see in this triangle DPQ and triangle DEF. Fine. If this is parallel to this, So what conclusion we can get? कि angle P equals to angle E. From here, angle P equals to angle E and angle Q equals to angle F. Q equals to angle F. Fine. So now we will take these two triangle DPQ and DEF. Fine. So in this both the triangle, angle D is common. Fine. And angle P equals to angle E and angle Q equals to angle F. Fine. So according to angle similarity, these two triangles are congruent. So triangle DPQ is congruent to triangle DEF. Fine. Now if these two triangles are congruent, so we can say that their sides are in the same proportion. Fine. So DP by DE equals to DQ by DF equals to PQ by EF. Fine. So what is DP? As per the construction, DP equals to AB. So we can write here AB by DE equals to, what is DQ? DQ is AC. AC by DF equals to PQ by EF. We can write here as per construction. Fine. So if we will see this as per given, AD by DE equals to AC by DF equals to BC by EF. Now here this is same, but only this third part is different. So we can compare if this equation and this equation, if we will compare, so we can find out BC by EF from here, the third one, and from now the third one. BC by EF equals to PQ by EF. Fine. So EF same. So we can say that BC equals to PQ. Fine. So this is BC. This equals to PQ. Fine. Now we will see the triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Fine. So AB equals to DP, AC equals to DQ, and now BC equals to PQ. So we can say according to this sides congruent, angle ABC is congruent to angle DPQ. Correct? So if these two triangles are congruent, that means these angles will be same. So angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle P, and the third angle is angle C equals to angle Q. Fine. And we already proved that angle P equals to angle E and angle Q equals to angle F. So here we can write from equation 1. Fine. Angle A equals to angle D. Angle B equals to, what is angle P? Angle P equals to angle E. And angle C equals to, what is angle Q? Angle Q is angle F. The same thing we have to prove, correct? See. Angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F. So this proved, or we can also say that angle ABC is similar to angle DEF. So this proved. Correct? So if you have any doubt, you can put in the comment section. Also like my video, share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.